Hey guys, wanted to take a quick second to show you that my Kenmore Elite dryer is working perfectly. So I've got it full of clothes here. We're gonna close that up, turn the power on. Tons of options here. We're just gonna go say normal, which you could turn this for all your different options here. But we'll just go normal, more dry. Let's see, maybe if we go to jeans, we can, oh, I see, it's changing that. If I went over to time dry, then I can manipulate this however I want it, so that's kind of neat. Let's just go to time cycles though. Normal, actually, heavy duty, high heat, that way we can test it on its highest setting. You see it's auto set the time. Then we just hold this here. Starts up. You see it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm gonna give it just a minute to warm up and then I'll shoot that heating gun in there and show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. So give it just a sec. All right, so it's been about a minute. We'll go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to shoot my heating gun right in between those two red dots. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there, which in turn will heat up the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have your heat setting at there. So, and we'll move this towel out of the way. Close that up there and hold to start. So we'll let that finish up. I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.